hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are diving in to the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for March. I cannot believe that we've done 3 of these this year already. I have it here. I haven't opened it, haven't peeked. Smells delish. I'm so excited. I've seen no spoilers. I nearly saw a spoiler but I didn't, which was really lucky. But yeah, I'm so excited to dive right in. So without further ado, grab yourselves a drink and a snack and let's dive into the video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So opening up the box, we have the Mad March hair box. I am very excited to see if there's any hair care in this box. That would be very exciting. I love me some hair care. So let's dive in and see what we have. This looks like such a good box. I don't know what it is about this, but I'm just really excited to dive in. So I don't even know where to start. So the first thing in the box is obviously the flowers. We get these every single month and mine are sadly dead from last month, so I'm glad to have some fresh ones. And these are actually to make your own flower crown, which is so exciting. And these are gypsophilia and a few other flowers which I can't pronounce. Forget-me-nots, variegated small pittos. I'm not actually sure, but I really love the look of these. These are so beautiful and I'm definitely going to pop these in some water ASAP. So now moving on to the products. The first item is this. This is the Chamomile Herbal Hair Tonic, and on the instructions it says place the infusion tea bag into 500 ml of boiling water, leave to infuse for at least 15 minutes. Once cooled, pour over hair. After shampoo and condition, no need to rinse. I am so excited to try this. I love Lush hair care. I love hair care in general, but Lush hair care I really enjoy, so I'm so excited to try this. And ingredients, it says it's dried German chamomile flowers, and that is it. So I'm really excited. Smells beautiful, so relaxing. I love that. I'm so excited to use that. We'll definitely give that a go. Yeah, I love it. I'm so excited for this box. Honestly, this could be the best box ever. We're going to keep going and find out. The next item is this one. Now this is the Molasses Sphere shampoo. I am so intrigued by this. Essentially it looks like a kind of bubble tea ball with like liquid inside, and it says break open the molasses sphere to use as much as you like to wash your hair. And ingredients wise, it has molasses, water, aloe gel, sandalwood oil, benzoin resinoid, myrrh resinoid and sodium alginate. And it doesn't really have much of a smell. I'm imagining it would smell a lot stronger once you rip it open, but I really don't want to rip this open until I'm going to use it. Really subtle. I'm so excited to try all this, honestly. I love this box. Anyway, moving on. The next item we have is this. I believe these are 2 stuck together. I'm not sure whether I was supposed to get 2 or whether you are supposed to get 2, I'm not really sure. But this is the Tropical Fruit Conditioner, and it says cut 1 bar in half, add some water in your hand to soften the bar, stroke through your hair, and you can use the other half if needed or keep to use another time. Leave on for a few minutes and wash out. And ingredients wise, this one has cocoa butter, cypress oil, cedarwood oil, ylang ylang oil, vetiver oil, fresh avocado, banana, fresh figs, fresh passion fruit juice, and it smells like jungle. So it's basically a kind of fresh version of the jungle conditioner. I have used jungle before. I do really like it and it smells really good too. Love that. Oh, this is so exciting. Honestly, this box, 10 out of 10 so far. I love it. The next item we have is this. This is the Shine So Bright Split End treatment, and I actually used to have this in a tiny tin. I don't know whether you guys would have been into Lush back then, but they used to do this in a tin, and this essentially is a little tiny solid oil for your hair. It smells exactly the same as it used to. Such a nostalgic smell for me because I used to use this all the time when I worked there. Very fresh, really lovely. And ingredients wise, this one has extra virgin coconut oil, shea butter, candelia wax, extra virgin olive oil, aquafaba powder, soy yogurt, grapefruit juice, neroli oil, rosewood oil, gardenia extract. It smells amazing. It's like a subtle version of Frozen. Really good. I really like this, but it is melting my hands, so I'm gonna have to pop that down. But it's such a really lovely kind of oil, and you can just run it through your ends. I really like it. I've used it a lot in the past, and oh, just smells unbelievable. That's so good. So the next item is actually a facial item, and that is the Muru Muru on the Wall facial scrub. And this one says, take a pinch the size of a walnut and work into a paste in your hands and then massage gently onto your face and rinse off. Very similar to, I mean, it has a very similar texture to the cleansers, but you can definitely see the kind of sugar scrub in there. And ingredients wise, this one has golden castor sugar, talc, Muru Muru butter, almond milk, organic cocoa butter, bergamot oil, olibanum oil, carrot seed oil, cuba oil, neroli oil, tangerine oil, and another one that I can't pronounce. Smells really good. Smells kind of like, okay, that side smells like jungle. I think it was because it was touching the conditioner, but just a fresh, light smell. I'm excited to use this. I don't have any cleansers left, so I'm really excited to give this one a go. Very subtle, very fresh, delish. I love that. And last but not least, we have a hair treatment. Now, I'm actually really shocked there was no face mask in this box. I am slightly glad because it means I can actually use up all of my other masks like Cup of Coffee and Mask of Magnanimity and try and get through those, because when I get the fresh ones all the time, I can't do enough face masks, do you know what I mean? But this is the citrus hair treatment, and this one you put on to dry hair and you leave it on for 50 minutes and you shampoo it out. And ingredients wise, we have got soya yogurt, orange juice, peaches, lemon juice, lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, lemon oil. I'm excited. Let's give it a smell because I'm excited to see what it smells like. Ooh, ooh, it looks like a thick version of Marilyn. I just got that on my nose. It doesn't really have much of a smell. Very subtle. Almost like a slightly lemon ice cream smell, but very subtle. I'm excited to use that though. I do get a lot of questions as to why I don't review all these sorts of products on YouTube and do a video for each of them, and it is mainly because I can't really do a long video for one product. I feel like I couldn't talk about this for like 10-20 minutes. So what I might start doing is do an Instagram highlight just of Lush reviews. Let me know if you want to see that. I will definitely start doing that if you guys want to see it. But yeah, if you want to see a review of this, let me know down below and let me know about the whole Instagram highlight thing, because I will definitely do that if you guys want to see it. So that is everything for this month's Fresh and Flowers box. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love to know down below what you thought of this box. Did you get the box? Did you not get the box? What items do you think you would love out of it? And yeah, let me know all below in the comments. And I am overall so impressed with this box. I love hair care. I love Lush hair care, so something like this is so exciting, and I'm so excited to dive in and use all of these items. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!